examples of the A10C Warthog. So it's a flight stick designed for use with flight simulation games. We're showing it with an up-and-coming flight simulator called DCS A10C Warthog, but you can also use it with Flight SimX or previous flight sim games like Flaming Cliffs 2 or any of the lock-on games. It's almost crafted almost entirely of metal. It's a full replica of the A10C down to the level of pressure you need to apply to any of the buttons. For certain controls, you have about 19 control options on the stick, up to 17 on the dual split throttle. Both are incorporated with magnetic sensor technology, which allows for which gives you 16-bit precision. Really allows for the most accuracy that you can get on a flight stick today. It's really the most accurate that you'll find. You can see that if you test it out over there. You give it a feel. It's very, very solid. It's licensed by the U.S. Air Force. We have it's designed for desktop or for desktop use or for very serious flight sim pit builders. This is definitely for the hardcore flight sim fans. So we also do a lot of consumer level joysticks. This is not that. We were proud to receive a design and engineering award for gaming accessories for this product. Yeah.
What's the price range on it?
$4.99 on this. So it's another serious piece of equipment. So.